All right, we're on the par 3, but we're standing on the pro tees, so that puts it at least 200 yards away. I'm going for a hole-in-one. Oh yeah, and no editing involved. Welcome back to the Sherpa Show. We're in the Greater Binghamton area today talking about golf. This is a place that's kind of famous for their play and stay packages, and their golf courses are superb. Today we're standing at one of those courses, En-Joie Golf Course. This one is on the PGA Champions Tour, and we're going to show you why it's at that level of play. All right, we're here at En-Joie Golf Club with Mike Duell. He's their pro. This is an amazing course in upstate New York. What makes this course so special?
It's an old school traditional golf course. It's been here 95 years now. When it was first built for the employees of Endicott Johnson's Shoe Factory, there wasn't a tree on the golf course, and now, as you can see, there's 500 or 600 of them out here that offer a challenge to the best players in the world and the average amateur that comes in from all over the place. It's just a fair test of golf. There's no tricks to it. It's in great shape all year round, and we're proud to have it here in Endicott.
Now, you guys have the PGA Champions Tour come through here. Talk to me about that a little bit, how that's evolved.
Correct. So the BC Open was here from 1971 through 2006, and then when that went away, Dick's Sporting Goods Open was born in 2007, and we couldn't be happier with that. Those are the guys that we used to watch in the BC Open that are now over 50 years old, and they can play golf, and we're honored to have them here, and it's great watching them play here, and they're good.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to head out. I was wondering maybe before I hit the course if you could help me tune up my swing a little bit. Would that be all right?
Absolutely. Let's see what you got.
Let's go take some tips from Mike. All right, Mike, so I'd be pretty much a tour level player if the fairway jumped 30 yards to the right every time after I took my swing. I've got a little bit of a slice. I was wondering, maybe you could just give me 3 tips, all of us 3 tips, on how to just straighten this out a little bit.
Sure. You're in the 90 percentile of golfers who right-handers slice the ball off to the right. So there's 3 things that we can definitely look at. And if you want to get over the golf ball,
yep.
One is your grip. Your left hand should definitely be a little stronger, which means we see more knuckles on our left hand.
Okay.
The other way.
Okay.
So you want to see more of the back of that left hand. That's going to help close the club face up. The other thing is, during the golf swing, if you want to make like a half of a golf swing, so we want to make more of a shoulder turn. We want to turn as much as possible there. Most people do not make a big enough turn. They kind of abbreviate their turn. Make a bigger turn helps us square up the club. And then the other thing is more of a understanding of what the golf ball and what the club should be doing at impact. Obviously, if we're trying to hit the ball straight, we need to make the club face come in straight on a straight path. And it's simple physics. The straighter the club is and the straighter the path is, the ball is going to leave straighter. And it may seem simple, but a lot of people don't understand that concept.
Sure. Yeah.
And the average player will swing the golf club across the ball, imparting spin on it, and it'll start left and then it'll tail off to the right. So the straighter the club comes into the ball with a straighter the face, with a stronger grip and a bigger turn, usually results in a straighter golf shot.
All right, so a lot of times you get into a bunker, people kind of panic. So give us the best tips to get out of the bunker and get out of it well.
Sure. Obviously, we don't want to leave the ball in the bunker, so the biggest thing is we got to get it out, which means we need to stay aggressive and hit the balls out, nice and aggressively. The other tips are, the weight actually goes forward. Most people lean the weight backwards and the club hits behind the ball and they end up sculling it or just leaving it in the bunker. So the weight is actually a little bit forward. The club face is open and we take a nice aggressive swing because the last place we want to be is in here again.
Okay.
So let's see what you got. Well done.
So En-Joie is kind of a classic style course in the sense that they're all pretty much straight out. This is really going to challenge your drives and your ability to stay straight. So I'm going to see how many pars I can rack up here today. my first hole-in-one here at En-Joie Golf Club. We had such a fun time here in the Greater Binghamton area talking about golf. It's a premier destination in New York, so I hope you come out and golf these courses. What a beautiful day we had here as we roll along on the New York Sherpa Show. It's off to the next destination.